Well, inside this bag, I got what I bought on sale in my Longchamp boutique. I will divide in two parts, in two videos, because I've got two items and they deserve each video. Well, guys, let's start with the first item I bought on sale. It comes in this box, so you may know maybe what I got. I mean the type of item I got. Let me... Okay, so direct unboxing and we discussed together. I picked up like this. Okay, you'll recognize, and inside, yes, you see the color, and you know how much I love it, guys, because yes, it is the candy color. I'm going mad about this color. I'm seriously going mad because it's really a nice pink shade. But before I start, for those who don't know me, I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's free, it's funny. So here we are. This is the Longchamp Foulonné wallet. I will write the dimension, and guys, okay, the color, you know, I seriously do think it is the perfect pink shade. Longchamp has created a lot of pink shade. Please have a look at my Barbie collection, pink Barbie collection. I will put the link in the information below. And oh my God, this one is so cute. So the wallet, you open it with a button pressure and then you turn it like this. And look what we have. We have a 3-part wallet, and each of them, each part got 3 card slots and also a pouch, you see, behind. Not this one, look, but this one, yes. And this one also, so you can include things inside, which is quite practical. And you've got this big part where you can put document, cards, ticket, and on the side you have the compass section. And let me tell you guys, it's big, it's really big. I choose it because, okay, the color first, but seriously, I choose this wallet because when you close it, look, it is really small, thin, and this is quite practical because you can fit a bunch. I tried in my boutique and I put all my cards, and you cannot imagine how much we have cards and paper, official paper in front. It's insane, guys, and everything fit inside, and the wallet still have this size. So really, I appreciate it. I was really hesitating between this wallet and the Roseau Essential wallet. I love it. The leather is insane also, and I love the design. I have no Roseau wallet, so I was really interested, but when I put them aside, the Roseau wallet was really bigger, and I told to myself, okay, let's wait if one day they produce a thinner one. So I go for this one because at the moment, let me show you my wallet. I have this one, which is really a vintage one, and I really love it. It's a 3-part too, but you have this kind of windows, and this is great because you can put pics of your child, of your family, of your pet, what you want. You can fit also document. Here you have a lot of card holder. So I really like this one, and fortunately they have another version, but not with these 3 windows. I do hope they will make this one again. I have the Continental one, which is really nice. I use it a bunch in winter because I tend to wear bigger bag in winter. If you have to carry a lot of things, go for this one. It's insane. I've got this double zip. I love to take this one when I go abroad because I can also put things inside, but I do think it's more secure with a zip. And for example, I can place our passport and so this one I really like it too. And let me show you my last one. I also have a card holder I'm using as a wallet. Okay, this is the bag I was using today, so you will recognize the Tote Roseau Essential with an Hermes Pegasi. I do think they match as well. And yes, this one. And in fact, I love this one so much, but it's really old, and I got it for more than, yes, 15 years, yes, 15. And look, it slightly got damages, but that's quite normal. I use it a bunch, and it's a light color. So I wanted to try this one. You see, this one is already a compact one, and look, it's clearly smaller, so I was really interested by this one to try. So I bought it on sale, and I will say in euro, but I will write in American dollar. I paid this retail, okay, let's begin first. This retail in euro for 170, and I pay, thanks to the sale, 119 euro. So it's a nice bargain. I could not resist. I know I've got white, brown and pink, but as you can tell, it is clearly not the same pink, so it's okay. It's another color. I'm happy it's another color. At the moment, the colors available for this one are the new green gazon, which means herb. It's a green, a light green, really gorgeous. I think, yes, it will be also in the new blue shade nuage. Really nice blue too. And you have it in red, which is called love now. And you have black and brown. Yes, I do think it's only the colors. If I forget a color, I will put a pic. But yes, guys, I'm happy this one joined the family. Bought a lot of SLG recently, but you know, I tend to collect them and I use them a lot, and I like to change, I like to change my bag. So that's all for the first part. Stay tuned, part 2 coming soon. If you have any question about this item, please do not hesitate. I will be more than happy to answer you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It's free, it's funny, and it's really keeps my motivation high. If you want, also click on the notification bell to not miss any of my coming video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye, guys.